This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Pick up a charged smartphone with internet and open the camera or a dedicated QR app. Place one Oreo on a flat surface so the pattern side with the QR is facing up. Gently brush away crumbs to avoid blur. Hold the phone about 3-6 inches from the biscuit and let autofocus lock. Make sure the camera is set to photo/QR mode. Once you see the pattern filling the frame, stay steady and prepare to trigger the scan. Now align the pattern. Hold your phone parallel to the Oreo so the QR design is flat in the viewfinder. Small angles distort decoding. Increase diffuse light, move to a window or use lamp, but avoid direct glare that washes out contrast. Once the camera recognizes the code, you'll see an overlay or a notification. Don't move and tap that prompt confidently. If the native camera doesn't prompt, switch to a trusted QR app and press the on-screen scan button to force detection. After you tap the scan link, pause and verify the destination. Look at the URL and domain before proceeding. This protects you from unexpected pages. Follow the on-screen action, whether that's a website, coupon, or in-app content, and save a screenshot if you need proof. If nothing happens, troubleshoot. Wipe the Oreo clean, eliminate reflections, try a different QR app, or move the phone slightly closer. If all else fails, restart the camera app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.